Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making a little mouse finger puppet. So the first thing that you'll need to do on a piece of paper is to draw out, just like we did when we made our party hat, a triangle with a slightly curved bottom and two little ear shapes. So we're now ready to add a little bit of colour to our mouse. So I've just mixed up some acrylic paints. I've got some white and some black because I'm going to make my mouse grey, and I've got some pink too for his nose and for the inside of his ears. So now that the paint is dry on our mouse, we can start to cut those shapes out. So very carefully, I'm just going to cut around that triangle and the little ear shapes too. So we can now start to put together our little mouse. Just as we did with our party hats, I'm going to roll that triangle into a cone shape, and I'm just going to do that very gently to start with. And once I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to add a little bit of sticky tape to secure it. Don't forget that once you've cut your ears out for your mouse, you'll just need to add some colour to the back of them so that they're 3D. So I'm just going to add a little bit of grey to the back of those now. So I'm now going to attach the little ears into place. And what you'll need to do is just fold the end of the ears down. So not the curved bit, which is the top of the ears, but the bottom bit. That's the bit that we're going to secure onto our little mouse's head. So the last thing we need to do is just add some little details onto our mouse. So I've got some gobbly googly eyes here to add onto the mouse's face. If you don't have any, not to worry, because you could draw those on with a pencil or with felt tips. So I've just put a little bit of glue on the back, and I'm just going to secure those into place now. There we go. He's looking rather cute. So there we go, one little mouse, friendly finger puppet. I hope you've enjoyed today's activity as much as I have, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Bye!